Taking a look at this survival saw. These come in a 3-pack, which makes them super convenient because then you can keep them in different packs or set or kits, or give them as gifts. And as you can see, they come with a couple of twists that keep them wound up really small. But when they open, they're an aggressive, almost like barbed wire. They're an aggressive braided wire, which is not a saw blade necessarily, but it is very aggressive on wood, and it will cut through wood pretty quickly. You've got 2 rings, and in a pinch you can just use your fingers, but the pro tip is to stick either Sharpie markers or some sticks or something, one of your tools or a knife or a screwdriver, through these, and then hold on to the screwdriver or hold on to the piece of stick, and you've got a much bigger handle and you'll be much less fatigued. Now you can use this by yourself, step on a piece of wood or have a piece of wood hanging, but you can also have 2 people and just go back and forth over a larger piece of wood. They're durable, they're very lightweight, they're very aggressive saws, and they wind up so small that they're useful to have in vehicles, in 3-day packs, in get-out bags, and buying them in a 3-pack makes it real possible to gift them as well. Hope that helps.